Sir. This is my report on our subject system administration. My topic is all about RAID setup and management. So in modern computing, data reliability, performance, and storage efficiency are, are essential. One of the most effective solutions to these requirements is the use of RAID or redundant array of independent disk. So RAID is a data storage technology that combines multiple physical hard drives into logical unit into improve performance, data redundancy, or both. So what is RAID? So as I've said, RAID stands for redundant array of independent disks. So it is a technology that uses multiple hard drives. So what's the use of it? So it increases speed to performance and it provides fault tolerance, redundancy, or expand the storage capacity. So the RAID works by splitting or duplicating the data across multiple disks depending on the RAID level used. So these are the RAID levels. So first level is the RAID 0 or called stripping. So the function of this is it splits data evenly across two or more disks, and its advantage is this is very high performance and faster read write speeds, and this has a disadvantage of no redundancy. If one drive fails, all the data is lost. So this is best for non-critical system where speed matters, such as gaming PCs or video editing workstations. Level 2 RAID is the RAID 1. It's called mirroring. So it duplicates the same data onto two or more disks. Its advantage is it's super excellent in redundancy. If one disk fails, the other one still holds all the data. So mura siya magtunga sa slot case magubang usa ka disk snap siya murag backup. Then ang disadvantage niya is storage efficiency. 50% is the storage efficiency is 50%, half of the total capacity. So ideal siya for critical systems like servers or databases. So RAID 2, it's a bit level stripping with a humming code. So it splits data at a bit level across multiple disks and uses additional disks for humming code error correction. So theoretically, the advantage of this is provides correction at the hardware level. And the disadvantage of this level or RAID 2 is it's very complex and requires synchronized drives and waste storage. So modern drives already perform built-in error correction. So, this niya is three or more. Uh, then next is RAID 3 or the byte level striping with dedicated parity. So ang function niya is stripe the data byte to byte across several disks using one dedicated disk for parity information. And its advantage is good for large sequential data transfers, and its disadvantage is parity disk becomes a bottleneck for writes poor performance for multiple small requests, and its minimum disk required is 3. So ang kaniday nga RAID 3 is very rare today. It is formerly used for video streaming or large sequential workloads. Next RAID is RAID 4 or block level striping with dedicated parity. So what is the function of this? So function niya is stores data into blocks across multiple disks with a single disk used for parity. So ang advantage niya is it allows individual block access to for its simpler parity handling. So ang yung disadvantage is the parity disk becomes a right bottleneck. So less efficient isa than RAID 5. Minimum disk is 3, same as RAID 3. So ang RAID 5 offers better performance and reliability. So mas better ang RAID 5 sa RAID 4. So muna siya ang RAID 5. The block level, striping distributed parity. It strips data and parity across all disks, avoiding a single parity disk. And it is very excellent balance of performance, redundancy, and storage efficiency, and can survive on one disk failure. Ang disadvantage lang niya is slightly slower on write performance due to parity calculation. Same na siya sa 3, sa RAID 3 or 4, ang minimum disk na required is 3. So, use case niya is good for file servers, application servers, and general purpose storage. Next is RAID 6 or the double distributed parity. So this is similar to RAID 5 but source two sets of parity information on different disks. And advantage niya is this can survive two simultaneous disk failures. Ang RAID 5 kay 1 naman to. So ang disadvantage po niya is slower writes due to double parity calculations and higher cost. And ang minimum disk niya required is 4 na, not the same as the RAID 5 na 3 RAM minimum disk. Good na siya for enterprise storage systems and mission critical levels. Next is rate 7, the proprietary lever or catch rate 3/4. So, muna siya ang based on rate 3 and 4. Ang kani is nag-use a real-time embedded controller with a cache memory for faster performance. And its advantage is it is a very high speed due to catching and optimize in-out handling. Ang iyang disadvantage lang po is proprietary and expensive. Sumakay gini siya unlimited vendor support. Minimum disk 3 or more and it is used in high-end enterprise systems historical. Now rarely used so di ko lang ano siya nakuha gamit. And next is rate 8, the conceptual or experimental level. So the rate 8 is there's no standards in rate 8. Some vendors use the term for hierarchical or multiple level rate setups combining multiple arrays. So, ang advantage niya is could offer scalability across large data centers. So, as of search, wala siya disadvantage, no official definition, varies by manufacturer, and often use custom design. Same as the minimum disk, varies na siya, nagdipindi na siya. O, ang yung use case is experimental or proprietary enterprise level storage system. Next is the rate 9, distributed parity with advanced error correction. So its function is similar sa rate 6 but it is designed to include additional redundancy layers and faster recovery algorithms. But its advantages is potentially faster rebuild times and higher fault tolerance than rate 6. Ang disadvantage ng kanya is non-standard and rarely implemented commercially. So wala ka nila gamit commercially. Yes. And its use is minimum disk din niya is required is 4 or more. Use ni siya for research, proprietary stage storage systems, or theoretical implementations. Lastly is the rate 10, the combination of rate 1 plus 0. So it combines mirroring and striping. The data is mirrored for redundancy and stripe for speed. Ang disadvantage niya is very high performance, very high redundancy, fast recovery from this failure. Ang disadvantage na is mahal siya, so it's very expensive and uses half of the total capacity for mirroring and its minimum disk required is 4. Uses niya is databases, high performance servers, and mission critical applications. So RAID setup. Saan pag setup? Setting up RAID can be done using hardware RAID or software RAID. So ang hardware RAID kay access niya sa BIOS UEFI RAID configuration utility. So first you have to enter the bus system and enable RAID mode. Select drives. Choose which disk will be part of the RAID array. Choose RAID level. Select the appropriate level. Example is RAID 1, RAID 5 ron ikaw magpili. Then create an array. Create array is name and create the array. Then install is and drivers, install operating system Android controller drivers. Then sa software naman rate set that is, for example sa Windows is to open the disk management, in right click unallocated disk, then select new RAID volume. Choose RAID type, mirrored ba or stripe. Then assign a drive letter for format the volume. Then sa Linux, sa software RAID setup nga using Linux, using the MD-ADM tool, mo ni siya. As you can see, the PPT, mo ni siya ang paggamit or pag setup sa software RAID setup. So, RAID management. So, pag management, sorry, so monitoring. So, the user RAID management software example is Intel RST, MegaRAID, or MD-ADM. So, paano siya? Regularly check the status of drives and parity synchronization. So, maintenance niya is i-replace lang failed drives immediately and schedule recurrent data backup even on RAID systems. perform consistent checks to ensure data accuracy. Performance tuning is should optimize the block size or stripe size based on the workload and use SSDs in RAID arrays for higher throughput. Update firmware for RAID controllers and drivers. So advantages of RAIDs. So as I've said, advantage niya is data redundancy, improve performance, scalability, and availability. Ang disadvantage niya is na siya ay limitation na cost niya, complexity, no backup, replacement for performance overhead. So applications of RAID. Servers and data centers, muna ang magamitan sa RAID kasagaran is servers and data centers, database systems, video editing and multimedia production, cloud storage systems, enterprise backup solutions. So the RAID technology provides a balance between data performance, storage capacity, and fault tolerance. Choosing the right RAID levels depends on the system's purpose. So whether performance, redundancy, or cost is the priority. So an effective RAID management ensures continuous data availability, making it a critical component of a modern data storage infrastructure. So in summary, the RAID setup and management play a vital role in maintaining data reliability and efficiency in both personal and enterprise level computing environments. So, ano to? Thank you.